Good morning, good morning, good morning. Y'all see what it is. I'm gonna go like this. Welcome to our what? Welcome to New City, Brooklyn. Alright? Big Butch Family Jones Entertainers. DJ BBFJ, DJ Cloud, Omar E, DJ Chris Nice. Listen. DJ BKG, listen. DJ Touche. Oh boy, yo, the list goes on and on. My boy, the Disco Kid, listen to me. Big Butch, give you live. Salute the DJs today. Your boy is running the shift right now. The legendary DJ OJ and Big Butch Family Jones. You understand? The show is brought to you no other than by the Stop the Violent family. 21 years going strong. You understand? But like I said, it's going down. Y'all see us all on the poles up there. You understand? Salute the DJs. Disco Kid, DJ Hypo, DJ E-Nice, DJ Omar E, DJ Clyde, DJ One Woody Woods, DJ LB, DJ Muggs, DJ GBK Brooklyn, DJ Lim, DJ Undergod, DJ Chris Love. Listen to me, the list goes on and on. DJ Touche, the list goes on and on and on, y'all. Brooklyn is going down today, listen to me. And my boys is coming to do what they do. I'm gonna make sure of that. And what it is, if we don't have enough artillery, you know I'm right across the street. Y'all listen, I'll bring out something. But we really don't need it from what my boys telling me they bringing. You understand? They coming. Matter of fact, I'm going to go like this here. You see what it is. Brooklyn, New York, DJ BBFJ. You understand? You see that? Y'all see what it is live. The banners is up. You see what it is. My boys is on deck. They coming. You understand? I'm setting up. You understand? Doing what I do. You understand? Jesse Owens Park. You understand? You know? You see the banners is everywhere. Banners is hanging up everywhere. Salute the DJs. You know? No. I'm trying to make sure my boys, we don't want to be smelling no extra scents around here. You know? Good. What? No, I don't need security. I got security. No, why you ain't take care of this? Make sure the niggas, see them niggas did this? That's fucked up. Yeah, that's fucked up. Niggas shit in my park.
Who shit the goddamn park?
I don't know.
Hold on. Take it to the
You know? You know?
that shit and mail it to the DNA.
Yeah. This guy. Yeah. Yeah, listen. Yeah. I'm just putting a little, you know, good smelling juice around. You understand? Good smelling juice around. You understand? That's what it is. A little good smelling juice. That's all. You know? Nah. Good smelling juice. That's all I got. You hear me? Make over here smell pretty good. You understand? You know? That's all it is. Make the place smell good over here. We don't want it smelling tardy. You understand? We don't want it smelling real tardy over here. You know? You know? Yeah. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Getting it together. You know?
Police signs around me. Don't come and fuck over here.
Nah.
Come and fuck over here,
Nah. Not yet, baby. Don't worry. It'll be around. It'll be around. You hear me? Yeah, it'll be around, trust me. Yeah. When you see what color it is when it come around, you'll be like, get out of here. Salute the DJs. It's going down today, y'all. All right? Salute the DJs. Yeah, now it's going down. Yeah. I'm going over here by the mist. Put some water in the mist in the jar. You hear me? Yeah. Yep. Mmm. Mm. 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 Yeah. Mm. Mm. And can't over here smelling tardy. You understand? That's one thing. I don't want tardy scent. You know? Hi. Go back. Go back. Mommy back there. Right there behind you. She's breaking out. Here, come. Let me see. Let me get it for you. Okay, come on. Here we go. Watch it, baby. We're going to end up. All right.
Good morning. How's it going?
Yeah, watch the cord. Watch the cord, baby. We're giving a show today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Special day.
I know. We'll be by later.
I came at the right time. It's gonna be a special day for a small donut. Nah. OJ gave me 75 cents today. I knew this man all my life. We watched him grow up. And finally gave me 75 cents.
Yeah. I got to put you on live saying that.
That man turned his head.
Look. What you
Yo,
just said?
I knew brother OJ. No, brother, he knew me all my life. I'm 50. He don't give a fuck how old is. Old ass nigga. The nigga finally gave me 75 cents. I done rented rooms in this building. All that shit. Lost money gambling with him. All that shit. Extra, et cetera, et cetera.
Look, and he ran
75 cents. Thank you, brother OJ. Thank you, sir. Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother.
Oh boy. Yeah. 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 I might have to get me some of them to carry my speakers. What's up?
Morning, how are you?
We getting ready for to salute the DJs today.
I hear that, man.
You know?
I see they got the back closed. Like they
Huh?
had this, the little walkway, but I couldn't
Where?
walk in the back.
On the other side?
Yeah.
Oh, you should have told me. I would have told. Well, Jamal ain't come in yet. He ain't come in yet. You hear me? Yeah. Okay. Salute the DJs today. God bless y'all. Stay strong and focused. You see?
I'll be here until like
Look who's here.
I'll
Look.
be here until like 2:30.
Nah, he hanging out. Listen, he's gonna support the Salute the DJ.
Of course.
He's gonna have the soccer team back there jumping. God bless y'all.
Just nice calls.